Welcome to the 70th Exceptional Children's Conference app. The app offers many features to enhance your experience here at the conference. In the schedule, sessions are organized by the day and time in which they occur. You can search by the room location or category to find a particular session. Each session includes its location, materials, presenter, and a description. You are able to save a session under My Schedule by clicking the plus mark on the right-hand side of each session. When you add a session to your schedule, it will ask you if you want to add it to your device calendar and receive a reminder 15 minutes before the session. Then the session will appear under My Schedule. This, however, does not secure your spot for that session, so you may need to arrive early to ensure your spot in a specific session. To access materials for a specific session, you will need to locate a session on the agenda. You will then click on the session you want to attend. At the bottom of the page is a link to the presentation. Once in the presentation, there will be an Export PDF or Open button at the bottom of the screen. Once you click on it, you can email it, download it, or print it so you can access it without internet connection. Next, under Maps, is a map of the Corey Convention Center. This will help you navigate to the session in a timely manner and help you to navigate around the entire hotel. Under each session, there is a picture of the map which you can use to find the exact location. Next is the Exhibitors List. All of our exhibitors are listed here. You can search by name or category. To find their booth, simply touch Location and a map will appear highlighting the location of the booth. Make sure you visit the exhibitors located on the third floor and all of our school-based enterprises as well. The next feature that we have is Messages. Any message that is sent out to participants will be listed here. Refer to these messages for important reminders or if you want to reach out to a friend. You can also do that by going to the Attendees section. In the Attendees section is a list of all attendees. You are able to connect with attendees by private chatting with each other during the conference. You can also connect with other participants through social media. Here in the General Information section is information on conference and institute registration, the app support desk information, licensure renewal credit, and other important information. Last but not least is our QR attendance section. Under the menu section, you will see your name and a small QR code box. Please click on that as you exit each session, and a facilitator will scan you out of that session. Just like boarding an airplane, when this is successful, the facilitator screen will flash green, and this is how your CEU certificate will be generated. If you have any issues scanning in the app or have not logged into the mobile app at least once during the entire conference, please stop by the App Support Help Desk before you leave conference, and we will be happy to assist you. Again, this is how your CEU certificate will be generated. If you have any problems using the app or need to use a device to complete QR attendance check-in or check-out, please feel free to stop by the App Support Help Desk located behind registration. Thank you and have a great and wonderful conference.